this episode, we're going to have a simple look at a form. And the tricky part is, we're going to put in a birth date, but we're going to require people to be 18 or older in order to create an account. And so this person was just born. If we create the user, you'll see we got a validation error. And this is great to have the front-end validation error, or in this case, it's happening in the model. But a lot of times when we have a validation just in the model, there could be many situations when those validations do not run. And so I'm going to disable the 18 or older validation, and I'll put in the information again, and we'll create the user. But now you see we got an error. And that's because we have a constraint on the database that the user is at least 18 as well. And so that's what we're going to look at in this episode. We're going to have a look at the model validations, but then also how we can put that constraint in the database. And so that way, if you ever run into a race condition or another situation, even if the model doesn't pick up on the validation, at the database level, it won't allow you to insert or update the record. And that can be very important for the data integrity of your application. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift in Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.